So here's what's called Sand Spring on the map. I believe it's pretty much the start of the Pocono Creek. I guess this gets fed from some other areas, but the train track used to cross here. There's the high point on the highway side of this little channel. Here's where what I think is the start of the Pocono Creek goes down the mountain towards Camelback. I'm up in the state game lands above Camelback. And there's the other side of the railroad trail. Well, none of this was like this a year ago or so, the last time I was here. They've been in here doing a lot of work. And my theory is they might be getting ready to dam this up and make this a big reservoir. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to look into it and see what I can find out.